Hello and welcome back. This is our third installment of Guilds of Requiem's Philosophy. My name is Dr. Robin Kearney-Frazier, and I'm the president of Guilds of Requiem. Right now, in this onboarding session, we're going to discuss an educational guilds system. Essentially, we learn by teaching. What does this mean? We are a teaching organization, and you'll see that later on in another video, exactly what that means to others not in the guilds. But our primary focus is on education. This begins at the leadership level and all the way down to the new member. We like to encourage our members to better themselves and learn new skills and broaden their horizons. We are a learning corporation. So when someone joins Guilds of Requiem, their uniqueness is assimilated by the collective. I'm going to wait for you to figure that one out. For every project we have for teaching, just as many exist for us to learn, if not sometimes more. We are an intentional community. Intentional means that we're seeking those who wish to find their way in life and a family by choice. Intentional means that yes, we do have a specialized gilded projects in different departments, yet we're all dependent on one another in some way to find success. Intentional also means that someone finds us by a search for one thing, but stays for a totally different reason. What educational opportunities do we have? Well, we have lots of internal opportunities under our Learning Pavilion of Requiem. That's kind of the way to know if something is being published by the Learning Pavilion, that it's geared specifically towards the internal members. Hope Haven Academy is geared towards our community services. So when a member joins, they have a primary guild focus. And of course, the opportunities to maintain or increase the skill levels are sought out and shared in relevant groups and forums. We will be migrating away from Facebook, being heavy on Facebook for some of these, and leaning more towards our forums, and then we can share that information to our Facebook pages and into the groups. We always like to provide opportunities to learn about other guild specialties, and it is available through our public access groups or forums. We have many masters of one and apprentice to many. And then we also have master of all and apprentice to none. That is a nice discussion that we would like to have, because honest discussions give honest results. Remember that I'd like to remind you that the completion quiz will not be for each individual video on the philosophies, but will contain review and questions about all 7 philosophies. Thank you for coming by, and we hope you have a fantastic day.